Authority, which is exercised responsibly, is always respected and upheld. And this sense of responsibility is exactly what distinguishes Mahatma Gandhi from Hitler. If your actions create a legacy for others to learn more, do more, believe more, then you are a true leader. Kids, always remember that you yourself are the makers of your destiny. So put in your best in whatever you do. Dream and dream, because dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts finally transform into actions. And these are the words of one of my most admired personality, our former President, late Shri APJ Abdul Kalam. I would also like to add that to succeed in life, one needs to put in all the hard work, but also be virtuous. Virtues like gratitude, compassion, honesty, and commitment, these are what makes a man's character. Show compassion towards your teachers and parents, those who have nurtured you, those who fostered in you all a spirit of self-discipline, self-respect. Show compassion towards them because they are the ones who are the bridging gap between you and your success. Be committed towards your goals, your beliefs, and strive hard to achieve them with utmost honesty and sincerity. Only then can you be the real torch bearers and leaders of our nation. This is exactly what our nation is looking for. In the present times of the prevalent pandemic, COVID, I think these were tough times which taught us a very important lesson. They confronted us with the uncertainties of human existence and the vulnerabilities of human life. These tough times shall pass, but the teachings from these times should continue to stay with us forever to make us better human beings. I'm also a police officer and a mother, and it actually pains me to see the kind of problems that we face among the youth today, be it drug abuse, be it cybercrime. So I think it is my moral responsibility to connect with you all and communicate what is it that we expect from you as kids, both in classes 5 and classes 12. Drug abuse is growing, is an ever growing problem. But kids always remember that drugs, they kill you from within. They make you dependent on them. They destroy your health, your family, your future. It's a very famous dialogue from a Bollywood movie, which actually says it all. It says, the first time I took drugs, my father was upset. The second time, my mother was unwell. And by the third time, I had become an addict. This is exactly what drugs does to you. It makes you an addict. So be smart and don't start. I will in fact, I would in fact request the managing director and the principal that we formed ADCs, anti-drug committees in various schools, and we would like your academy to also come up with an ADC so that we can exchange information about people who are peddling or consuming drugs. And this is only for the betterment of the future, for the betterment of our kids, our students. And coming to cybercrime, I would like to say that with the increasing use of technology, we are witnessing a major surge in cyber crimes these days. And this is because we fail to understand the nuances, the rules of cyber hygiene. So most of you must be on social media platforms, be it Facebook, Instagram. But remember, please do not accept friend requests from unknown people. Even if you have, even if you've made friends from the virtual world whom you are not known to, please do not yield to their demands, either of cash or of kind. That would only be for your own benefit. Then we've also seen students, kids using their parents' mobiles to download online games and ending up paying lakhs and lakhs of rupees from the parents' accounts. Please be careful. Do not share your passwords, your OTPs with strangers or with others who are impersonating to be bank representatives. Nobody asks you for your passwords and OTPs on your mobile. Then I would also like to mention specific instances of cyberbullying and cyber stalking, which is becoming a problem in most of the academies and colleges and schools these days. Kids, remember, if you ever engage in cyberbullying or cyber stalking, you are harassing your peers, be it women, be it girls, whosoever. And we, the Digital Task Force in Uttarakhand, is keeping a watch on you. There are huge penalties involved, which could be an end to your future, your career. So please be careful, educate your peers, people around you to not indulge in such activities. Towards the end, I would like to congratulate the managing director and the principal once again for their able guidance, their leadership, and I hope all their endeavors would actually help the academy in attaining greater heights of success. Congratulations to all the coordinators and the teachers, because they are the ones who've actually made online education possible and effective. And heartiest congratulations once again to all the young, brilliant minds and their equally proud and hardworking parents. Let us all strive to make this world, the world that we live in, a better place by just being more considerate, by just being more humane. Thank you. God bless you all, and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable suggestions and sharing your experiences. You explained all the things in a wonderful way. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Now, I would like to request Principal ma'am say few words for vote of thanks.
Thank you, Pratibha ma'am.
Mrs. Tomar, I think you've muted yourself.
Ma'am, you have muted yourself.
I'm so sorry. I'll start from the beginning. Thank you, ma'am, for reminding me.
Ma'am, again you have muted yourself.
It is unmuted. Honorable Chief Guest, Mrs. Riddhim ma'am, respected Managing Director, Mrs. Pooja Pokhriyal, our most valued guests, parents, and all the viewers. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. An event like this during pandemic cannot happen overnight. The wheels started rolling many days before, and all the practices and communications were all virtual. And it required a lot of planning and bird's eye for the details. And we have been fortunate enough to have a team of very motivated and dedicated staff of Sunrise Academy who know their job and are result oriented also. First of all, I would like to thank our chief guest, Mrs. Riddhim Agarwal. Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable time which you have given to us and also encouraged our prefects. Thank you, ma'am, for coming to the meeting. And we are really enlightened by the knowledge, and thank you for making all of us aware of the cybercrime and the drug abuse. We are thankful to the managing director for the motivation and guidance in the right direction. I would also like to thank the coordinator and the anchor of the event, Mrs. Pratibha Khatri, admin officers, Mrs. Monica Sharma, academic advisor, Mrs. Rekha Hatwal, and Mrs. Preeti Bakshi, computer teacher, Ms. Shipra Khanna, IT expert, Mr. Ankit Sharma, PTIs, Mr. Ankit Bisht and Kamla Bisht, the yoga instructor, Mr. Vikrant Shahi, Deepika Thakur, Mrs. Astha Gupta. all these have put their 100% efforts, and that's why this was a success. Thank you all for your efforts. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your patience and precious time. We are extremely glad to have all of you over here. Now, it's my humble request to you all to stand up on your positions for national anthem. Thank you all. Have a nice day.